Do you want your blog post to publish automatically at a specific time? Maybe you work at night, but you want your content to go live in the morning. Then this video is for you. Today we will show you how to easily schedule a blog post in WordPress. By the end of this video, you will know how to plan your content smarter and publish automatically without any extra effort. Let's get started. First off, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. And now let's say you want to create a post. So what you can do is hover your mouse over posts and click on Add Post. First, we're going to see how you can schedule posts using Gutenberg. And let's say you are writing a post. Let's say this is our post. Now, normally, if you click on the Publish button, your post will be published and it will be available for your readers. However, if you want to schedule your blog post so that it can be published at a later time, that's also possible. To do that, click on this Settings button over here. Okay, so this sidebar from the right side will pop up, and then click on this Post tab over here. From here, you can set the featured image of your blog post, and you can see there are a lot more options. We're going to see there's an option called Publish, and there's immediately written over here. So as soon as you click on this Publish button, it will be published immediately. However, we want to schedule the post. To do that, we can simply click over here, and this new window will pop up. From here, you can schedule a date for your post. So now it's January 12th. So let's say I want this post to be published at January, say, 13th. So in that case, you can choose this, and you can also set the time of publish. So let's say 12 p.m. And here you can also notice the time zone is set over here. We are going to discuss about the time zone later on, but after you select a date and time for your post scheduling, you can notice that the publish button has now turned into schedule. So now what you can do is click on schedule. Now it's going to ask for a confirmation. So if you are ready to schedule, you can simply click on the schedule button and your post will be scheduled. It's just so simple. Now, if you already have a post drafted, you can schedule it in the same process. How you can do that, let me show you. Let's say you have a post drafted. What you can simply do is click on Edit, and from here, open up the Settings tab and click on Posts. And from here, you can choose the Publish, and instead of immediately, it specifies a date. Now, you can also select a past date for scheduling. In that case, what will happen, as soon as you schedule it, the blog post will be published because WordPress will consider that post to be due, and it will publish the post immediately. And in this way, you can also backdate your blog post. So the publish date will appear as the date you have set over here. Okay? So like before, you can simply click on this link over here and then choose a publish date, or you can choose now so the post will be published immediately. Okay? Now, that's what we do with Gutenberg. Now, let's learn how you can schedule your blog posts if you're using the classic editor. All right, we're using the classic editor now. So if you are using the classic editor, you can simply click on Add Post, and it will open up the classic editor. Just simply write your title. And after you write your post, notice this publish box over here. Right down over here, you can see publish immediately. You can click on this edit button and you can choose your scheduling time. So you can choose the date when your post will be published, and you can also choose the time and simply click on OK. And once you click on OK, you can see the schedule button will be available over here. So that is how you can also schedule your posts using the classic editor. Now about the time zone. Now let's discard our changes and let's talk about the time zone. If we go to the settings over here and click on General, you can see WordPress gives us a chance to set our time zone over here. The time zone is set to a default UTC +0. Now, it is recommended to choose a city-based time zone instead of using the UTC offset. Having a different time zone becomes a big issue when you are publishing your blog posts. Now, what kind of problems you might face if you set the wrong time zone? For example, you scheduled a post to be published at 9 a.m., but you see the post gets published at 7 p.m. Now, this happens if you set the wrong time zone. In order to address that or fix that, you should choose the time zone of your city. For example, if majority of your audience is from the US, you should set the time zone matching US. In that case, the post will be published exactly when you intended it to be. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's video. We hope that it was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos such as this one. So thank you for watching. See you next time.